Hi Akhil, क्या हाल है?
Sir, was now just free from this mad rush of month.
Right. But I think we have done as we promised to the boss.
Yes.
I'm sure we are almost near to that.
Right.
And very well done. I think quite effort put by you also. I saw you generally being on the job till 11 p.m. last 3-4 days.
Right.
Yeah,
That's
telling
a
up things and following up people and all. Good, yeah. But what I was looking was that, how do we come out of this? No, the last week of every month we go into this type of a tough thing, and I don't think it's desirable.
Right.
Yeah, and I was thinking, let's sit around 3rd or 4th of the month and accordingly have a relook at it as to why does it happen and how can we avoid it out. That's what I was looking at, because I don't think it's desirable for all of us to burn out during those 4-5 days of the month. No?
Right.
Not desirable.
But sir, that's the way it is. That is the practice overall. Because that is how it happens. Because
Yeah.
you and I can't do anything as I see. Because sorry, please don't mind me saying these things.
Yeah.
Because you are new to telecom. I've been here for some time. As you know, by the time you reach the month end, now this guy is suddenly woken up out of his sleep, and he says, "Okay, I want this, I want this." Then a lot of coordination happens, and as you're aware, these back-end systems are very bad. Administration guys and the system guys and some people asking data, and often our bosses and senior management asking a lot of data at the last minute.
Yeah.
That all piles up into this and leading to our spending that one so long days and nights are in fact gone out. So that kind of thing.
नहीं अखिल देखो ऐसा है, I think personally मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है, maybe we have taken it that way, and more we get into this total industry, more we start believing कि तो ऐसे ही होगा, and I think it is of our own making. That's what I believe. When the boss asks me all those questions and figures and everything towards last week of the month, that does not mean I don't create it beforehand, no. And by the way, I know that he'll ask. And if I know that he'll ask, let me create out my buffers, let me create out my things beforehand. For example, let's say, I hope you would have created that data which I requested you about 2-3 days back. And I said, you take your 2-3 days and you create it out. I hope you have done.
Some happened, some I still could not.
Yeah, that's what.
Sir, but I was running around and you already know.
Right. See, today's 4th, no? Today's 4th. So there were 4 days, quite a time. And maybe if we get it into this system now, and we know that this is the data which is important to us, which will help us analyze as to where things are going wrong, maybe I hope that 2 months down the line will be quite synchronized. We will know as to what is required, how it is required, what shape it is required. And maybe if we are able to see it online immediately, we'll be able to rectify things.
But sir, I'm sure you are aware that the data which I give, I'll tell you about the last organization. We had such a great boss. I used to photocopy my last month report and put it. And next 6 months also,
Yeah.
he never knew that.
Yeah.
But he rewarded me for being the most disciplined person in the system. That I was always giving my reports in time.
Yeah. I agree. But very frankly,
happens out of the data.
Akhil, how I see is that essentially whole of this report is for you and not for me. Very frankly, I see it that way. Maybe if we analyze it together and find out are there some areas which will tell us the health of the system beforehand, and accordingly we can take actions well in time. And if it can help you, very frankly, I don't need that report. Let me tell you. The purpose of that report is not कि तुमने दी क्यों नहीं दो, and once you have given us हाँ ठीक है दे दिए फाइल कर दो. No, yeah.
You need to also give it to the top.
No. See, I have to give certain summary to him, and by the way, that information I can get out of my accounts. Today the SAP systems are so efficient that it can give me data. But very frankly, here what I wanted to do is, what I wanted to see was, by the way, have you found out some data? Whatever I requested, just show me.
Sir, this little bit of work I could figure out with this. You
Okay.
asked me that number of calls per day.
Yeah.
So out of my experience and assumption, I've written
Yeah.
that they make these calls.
No. Have you actually found out the actual data?
How's that possible? Because these guys are in the field the whole day. I
That's
can't
what.
be running after them.
Let's say, for example, let me see. On 18th of last month, who was the person working in that Dibru-Nagar market? And how many calls did he do?
I'll have to ask the distributor, he will tell.
Even he will not be able to tell, because even he doesn't remember. And let me tell you, that day no one worked in Dibru-Nagar market. And I was there at about 5 o'clock, and there were some retailers who were cribbing कि साहब आपका बंदा आना था आज आया नहीं क्या हुआ. And when I phoned up the distributor, even distributor was not there. One of his clerks was there. I asked him. He says, हाँ जी वो राजू यहाँ जाता है and today he has not come. And no one knows.
Some exigencies are there, some
Yeah.
people take chutti.
I agree they take chutti. But what I'm saying is, are you and me aware? Number one. Second thing is, even you and me are not aware, that's okay. Is distributor aware? Even he is not aware. Because some clerk sitting, he says, sir, haan, sir. And by the clerk also will not remember it after 5 days. What happened? And that day when he has not visited the market, and some competitor visited the market, and therefore he filled the goods there in the market, no?
No, but today in this time where electronic charging happens, so that thing was taken there still.
No, see.
Because Raju, even wherever he was, he still fed the market with the data.
No, that's what. Raju was damn concerned because maybe he had gone for whatever, and his phone was not responding. That's one. Second thing is, these people need other paper coupons, they need other things, they need SIMs, they have some issues. There was nothing. And the major issue is that the distributor was expecting him, and therefore the distributor was feeling little annoyed as to how come the person is not here today when he comes daily. Now, because of this, there's a gap in the market, one. And second thing is the image suffers. Now, I'm not talking of Raju as such. See, that's not issue. Issue is what I'm saying is, are you aware of this? You're not aware. ऐसा तो नहीं है, over a period of time, at every level, starting with FOS, everywhere we have compromised with the system. And saying चलता है type, and therefore people are working in more of a lala mode. And therefore 3 months क्या की बात क्या है, even 5 days down the line, they don't remember anything. So how do we find out? For example, do you know your conversion levels, productivity levels of all your 7 FOs? Are you aware? What is the productivity levels?
They're doing very well. Achieving targets.
No, but how do you know? How do you know which person is the person who needs a lot of input on increasing number of calls, and who is the person who needs more inputs on not increasing the calls but increasing productivity? Who are these? Who is the person who is not able to cover high value outlets properly? And if we are not able to find out, how do we take a decision? No, maybe we need to create out a separate FOS for high value shops, A category dealers, so that he person has that ability, and therefore he is able to talk to them properly, and therefore he will go across, cut across the territory and cover all 8 category dealers. Now, how will this decision come? This decision will come out of analyzing of data, which we are not keeping as of today.
So, but very frankly, this is a marketing department job.
No, boss, no. Marketing department has not to do this. This you and me know the best, yeah. You go to the market, I go to the market, our FOS is working, our distributor is working. Now, distributor tell me, distributor about 4 months back we had taken this decision that he will personally look after 10 outlets in his market. And we had created a definition of personally looking after, which means every alternate day he would have given a physical visit.
Right.
Are we keeping any data of this, record of this? That how many visits he is doing on these?
How can I be with him all the time? Because he goes over, he says, yes, I had gone. I can't even question him that, show me the proof you have gone.
No, that's what, no. So, very frankly, let's create out a system for him also, yeah. And by the way, it is for his benefit. Because those A category dealers, if he visits personally, he'll be sure that those dealers are with him. They will never go into competitor. Now, I'm sure if you can make him realize and thereby say, कि ऐसा है Patel bhai, this is also for you. Even you should maintain this data so that you will know at any point of time how are these dealers progressing for our market shares. How are they progressing? And after you are visiting and they are still not progressing, which means there is something wrong. How come they are not progressing on their sales? Right? So we are not keeping that data. And let me tell you, I had recently gone to that Sai Telecom Center. And I was just generally talking to him. I said, "और कैसे है, क्या है, क्या है?" And I in between mentioned Patel bhai ka name. And he says, "कौन है? Who is this person?" What does it mean? When the Sai Telecom, who is one of our good dealers, he says, "Who is Patel bhai?"
Because he is only meeting Suresh, the FOS, not meeting the...
He is not even aware. Thank God that he is a nice guy and therefore he remains with us, but tomorrow some competitor moves him away, we will not even know. And what will Suresh as FOS do, yeah? He will not even know, he will not bother. कहता हाँ सर उसने पिछले 3 दिन से खरीदा नहीं है, which Suresh will not come and tell us. Only when you will ask him, then only he will tell you. And how will you ask him? How will you ask Suresh whether Sai Telecom is buying from you or not?
Just by looking at the data.
That's what.
This Patel bhai is also so high end of a customer. Himself is so rich and doesn't give a damn about the market as such because he has got those 7 guys working for him for that. And he's running 3 businesses in parallel. He somehow, I have tried to convince him initially, but then even I gave up because he won't go to market, I'm sure. What he also says is that, see, ultimately at the end of the day, what you want is the sale.
Yeah.
That's what I'm giving you.
Yeah.
So if you get sale at the end, why are you worried? Should I go? Should I not go? What?
Yeah, see, Akhil, very frankly, it's your call. Let me tell you. I am there to support you. I am there to forewarn you. I am there to tell you as to these are the danger areas. And tell me, if this person is not in touch with the market and otherwise getting sales, do you feel the market is very stable for us, or it could explode any day against us?
So the reason could be our competitiveness in the market, not just the distributor. And by the way, if
our competitors, what is our, towards the end of the month, we give some better rates, some better schemes that they will people pick up stocks.
Yeah.
Otherwise, for 15-20 days in the beginning, no one buys from us, and no one buys from us. That is less of issue. No one goes to them. That's the problem. People don't visit them. If they visit them, they just have a cup of chai with them and ask them, "Sab theek thaak hai?" "Haan, theek thaak hai." Maybe the fellow had some requirement, but there was no one pursuing him.
Sir, but let me share with you that because before you, the Suri Saab was here, he had so many of these things there on that time also. Patel Bhai, for example,
Yes.
You took the example of. He does not go to market with another reason, because that suddenly Suri Saab had gone to market. He at some places has promised that I'll give you cures, I'll do this, I'll do this, I'll do this. Until today, those promises have not been made. And those poor guys have been still working in the hope of getting something at the end of this. But now whenever distributor goes, they just catch it. Suresh, they can't do anything about it.
Good, yeah, therefore he doesn't go, and therefore, by the way, they will catch you, therefore you should not go. They'll catch you because of that, I should not go. That's the best route. Yeah, but Akhil, see, very frankly, I'm sure you also want to have a good, peaceful home life for yourself. When you go at about 11 o'clock in the night to home, it doesn't look nice to me also, very frankly. And what I'm trying to look at it is, how do we create the whole system into auto mode? And let us try to look at the possibilities rather than to look at the problems, because problems are endless and those will remain. And we will have to create out a cutoff somewhere and say, boss, this is where we want to start taking some actions. And based on those actions, hopefully 3 months down the line, we will be little better off. Little better.